So now we're gonna have a little Reese's peanut butter cups. Little Reese's. Remember E.T.? That was such a great movie. Remember, he loved his Reese's pieces. Reese's Pieces, very good. Very good. For some reason, I'm connecting E.T. to New York Angelo. I'm giving the alien like a Russian accent. Very good. Phone home. Reese's Pieces keep me here. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here to eat Reese's Pieces. Man, they're so good. Let's do this. Yeah. Now you see it, and now you don't. I share the wealth with my wife here. Have one. Um, this is good stuff here. You're probably like, why am I watching this for? Why am I watching this guy eating Swedish fish and Reese's? I'm just snacking out. I'm watching a movie. There you go home. So, just to add a little health, you got a little bit of cranberry juice in the house, eh? A little vitamin C. Good mix, right? It's good stuff. So, see, you can't say I'm not healthy. Got a little vitamin C. Salud. Gintani. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm an entertainer, but we're going to be millionaires. AMC and GameStop are going to give us life-changing wealth, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for generational wealth. As I drink this, I'm thinking about our future is going to be so bright. Our bank accounts are not going to be light. My weight will not be light. But this drink will be a delight. Salute, my ape brothers and sisters. AMC and GameStop to Pluto.